Yep, from Chaparral or whatever to a seasonal outlook. Angelica's been working on it.
Yeah, let's get back to our planet. Check this out. Beautiful sunset right now in Cardiff. And we've talked a lot last year about El Nino, but what's ahead? What can we expect here in San Diego? I'll break it down for you. We are heading now into a weak La Nina. That means warmer than normal, and we are certainly experiencing that right now. It's also going to be drier than normal as we head into the winter. Extreme dryness will continue to fuel fires, which means we have to be ready to save lives, and that's exactly what we want to do as we continue under a red flag warning. It's in effect until 8 p.m. tomorrow. It's basically from the mountains all the way to the valleys. As the offshore flow moves in, temperatures will rise. The winds will average from 15 to 25 miles an hour, gust between 35 to 50. Already we've seen reports between 35 to about 43, and the winds will potentially get stronger tomorrow. So I want to compare what's ahead and how we're going to compare to the records tomorrow. San Diego will be up to 90 degrees tomorrow. The record is 95. Ramona 92. Not as close to the record, but Escondido could easily tie the record of 96 degrees. Chula Vista at this point looks like it's going to be shy by 6 degrees. As we go into the next 3 days, look at the trend. The hottest day, but then the heat lingers even at the coast. 80s, 70s as we head towards the weekend. Also the same as we move into our inland locations. For tonight, we're going to see those temperatures drop. So we go really high, then really low as we go into the overnight hours. Big diurnal changes. 59 in Ramona, 63 Escondido, 62 El Cajon. And what about tomorrow? Everyone else besides those cities I just pinpointed that could potentially break records, including Escondido. Ramona, 92 tomorrow, 97 in El Cajon, 93 Alpine in Chula Vista will be right around that 90-degree mark. Also mid to upper 70s at the coast with a couple of 80s, especially as we head up to North County. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, all right, here we go. Breezy with 86 degrees on Thursday. On Friday, we're still going to be hot. You're going to feel that heat on, and the sun will be shining. The skies will stay clear, especially at nighttime, which is going to be great. There will be a meteor shower Friday night. We'll have more details on that posted on our website as well, and Facebook and Twitter. Inland areas will be in the mid to upper 90s Thursday. By Saturday, 87, then slowly trending down into the 70s with a southern storm coming from Mexico out of Baja. And this one could potentially bring humidity and a slight chance of spotty showers Sunday night into Monday. But for tomorrow, hot wind.